तुला काय व्हॉइस लिहिलं तर तेच ना बरोबर.
Hello, am I audible? At around 2:35 we will start our session. Our speaker is already with us. We are all set to go live. I welcome you all. Hope the voice clarity is audible properly. एक 10 मिनिटात चालू करूया.
वेळ आहे 5 मिनिटं कदाचित. हो,
आहे, अडीच होतातच. Yes, it's all good. Yes, all good. They have replied. Thank you so much for reply. All good. Really appreciate your response. Thank you so much. Around 2:35, let the viewers come and we will start the live session. I welcome you all.
हॅलो हॅलो हाउ टू चेक इट. हॅलो 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 इट्स कमिंग.
Thank you everyone for joining. I welcome you all. Around 2:35 we will start the session. Hello everyone, we will start the session at around 2:35. Thank you so much for joining. We will first do the session and later on there will be a time when you will be able to ask your all questions. Thank you so much everyone for joining. We will start the session at around 2:35. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Aditi Kulkarni. I am the director of Be Active Physiotherapy and Ergonomics Clinic. Soon in this 2021, we completed the 7 years and we are celebrating the 7th anniversary of our clinic. On the occasion of the 7th anniversary and launching a new facility at clinic along with the physiotherapy, ergonomics, Reiki healing, one new facility we have started, which is an exercise medicine, which is totally based on the fitness part and also for the non-communicable diseases, the patients who are suffering from that, to give the so all those people also can get the benefit of coming and taking their all the data. There will be the fitness test and on paper reports will be given to them. Based on that, we are going to design their protocols, so all the records are going to get maintained. So these are the new facilities we have started in the clinic. It's been a long time we are in this field and we are also give respect to the other pathies also. Like yesterday we have done the naturopathy, now today is a Reiki healing. Along with the medical practice, along with my physiotherapy and ergonomics, I have a lot of respect to the other pathies and I have seen the wonderful results by having those many pathies along with me in my clinic. So there are many experts who come into my clinic. I am personally as a Reiki grandmaster. I have also learnt my I can say as a Reiki master because grandmaster is already with me. She is my teacher, my mentor, my guide, and throughout my life journey she was with me. And whatever I am today is all because of my gurus, and I respect those pathies also because I have seen the wonderful results in my life by adapting the natural way of life. This is what my motive is to starting behind the Be Active Physiotherapy and Ergonomics Clinic, because everything cannot solve with the medicines and everything. Definitely medicines are important in the conditions whenever you have the pathological conditions to get the cure for, but there are certain other pathies also, there are solutions which you can get it from, and that's why I arranged these 19 speakers who are totally into the practice of in the Reiki healing, some naturopathy and some other pathies also. Soon you are going to come across the many speakers. As the day is passing, tomorrow is going to be the exercise medicine by Dr. Feely. He is from Malaysia, who is the speaker. Today, I welcome my grandmaster, my guru, my mentor. She's just like my mom, my Asmita auntie. So she is in Pune. She is on Prabhat Road. Her classes are on Prabhat Road. I have learned from that institute itself. Till today, lakhs of students have learned Reiki from her. Not only she is a good person as a amazing human being, but she is also an amazing grandmaster. She keep guiding us, and she has taught us the way of life, and definitely how the this universal energy is going to give you the benefit in your day-to-day life. We have learned from her. So, not wasting a much time, how exactly the Reiki, how I did, and everything. I'll directly hand over this session to my today's speaker, Asmita Soni. She is on Prabhat Road, and now she will start with the Reiki session. Thank you so much, Maushi, or I can say ma'am.
Maushi is
yes,
perfect.
Maushi is the perfect word because this is what I call her, and I really respect that thing. Yes, yeah, she is going to start the session. Thank you everyone for joining.
Yes, thank you everybody. Thanks Aditi. I must acknowledge and I always appreciate you for doing all these works. And Dr. Aditi is such a wonderful divine soul, and she's so loving, caring, respecting, and she's into this physiotherapy, and she came to me and learned Reiki and all. She's using that also. So I am actually thankful to everybody, my all Reiki grandmasters, because how I got that knowledge and all, I will tell you. My actually healing journey has started from 1994. It started from me only, because that time I was suffering from multiple problems. Means there were small problems started, but that time I was not knowing about Reiki, and I was first I had a neck pain started. Then doctor told me it was the starting of spondylitis. Then he said you come and take traction. So I was going to orthopedic surgeon to take traction. And then all of a sudden I had a frozen shoulder, my left right hand I couldn't lift up, and that was a frozen shoulder. So doctor was giving me painkillers and all of a sudden in that additional I had started a backache, tremendous backache, and doctor told me to take some injections and all, but I took that, but nothing happened with that, and traction was going on. And that time I got the information, when the right time comes, right things comes to you automatically. I trust completely, fully divine energy, and I came to know about the Reiki classes. When my Reiki masters Shamal Durve and Pradeep Durve, they used to come from Bombay. I came to know the classes address and all, and I joined my register my class name and all, and then I did my level 1, level 2, level 3 with them. And right from that day I started taking Reiki on myself, and within 21 days I got fantastic results. 80% relief I got. On the 5th day my neck pain was completely stopped, and I was feeling really relaxed. And then after 21 days 80% relief, then I was eagerly waiting for do my second level also, and then I did that, and then 100% within 40-45 days I completely got cured from that time, and up till now I enter in 70s, but no problem, nothing, no neck pain never, no frozen shoulder. I am fully physically fit, and that is credit goes to because of Reiki and all my basically the grace of God, and my beloved Guruji Sri Ravi Shankar, his blessings were there, and then my Reiki teachers' blessings are there. So then I become a Reiki Grandmaster. Reiki Master, I always say, Grandmaster is the energy, universal life force energy. We are just master teacher, I always say. And I started my classes and at Prabhat Road at my home. And slowly, gradually it started increasing. Then I started going to Bombay, Thane, Goregaon, that places, then Kolhapur, Solapur, nearby, all cities. So many cities I went. I was teaching them Reiki, and people were getting, without any advertisement, up till now, more than 2 lakhs people they have learned from me. I don't know, the divine is taking care of us, always I trust that. And then last 10 years I started going to Singapore. I went Singapore 2 times, London 2 times, USA I went in 2 cities, and I took many classes, many doctors batches I took, and it is a wonderful experience for them. And they are now, in this last year I couldn't go because of the COVID situation, so they are eagerly waiting when this situation will get over and you will come to us and teach next levels. So that was my journey, I can say the healing path and healing journey. Now definitely you all must be very much curious about what is exactly Reiki means. So I can tell you it's a simple technique, but the meaning of the Reiki is Rei means in Japanese, the technique has come from Japan. They call us Reiki, we call it Reiki, it's fine. So the meaning of the Rei is universal life force energy. Rei means universal, Ki means life force energy, which is everywhere. We call it cosmic energy. And the cosmic energy is everywhere. It is within you, within me, and it is the whole universe is made with the cosmic energy. And we are part of that energy. But it is there within us, but it's lying dormant. We are not using that energy fully. And that is why this Reiki works like that. So meaning of the Reiki is a universal life force energy. And Dr. Usui rediscovered this technique he came from Japan to India. He rediscovered the whole technique and spread this all knowledge to us, Guru Shishya Parampara. And then we got now it's a history of Reiki like that. Basically, in Reiki, we work on our main chakras. Chakras means you must be knowing about in Ayurveda they call it chakras, but scientifically we can say there are energy centers in our body. We have 7 main energy centers. And first thing I wanted to tell you that Reiki is not a magic or black magic like that. It is a completely natural healing method, which we can heal our own self and we can heal others also by giving. We become a channel. We are not healers. I don't even call myself healers. It is an energy through you. They get the healing, and that is why the Reiki is really supportive for medical and supported medical. Many thousands of doctors, they have learned from me. They are sending patients because patients are taking medicine, but sometimes mentally they are not okay, they are depressed. So Reiki works on mental level also, physical level, emotional level, and then it works on the physical level also. So meaning of the Reiki is a universal life force energy. It is dormant, so we have to activate those chakras, and then so that activation of chakras is called a attunement process. We get tuned with the energy, because energy के साथ जो हमारा tuning है ना, बचपन में तो बहुत था, जब इनोसेंस होता है तब तक बहुत होता है, उसके बाद वो चला जाता है. तो क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें हम इकट्ठा करते हैं, वी स्टार्ट एक्यूमुलेटिंग सो मेनी garbage of what? Anger, hatred, jealousy, craving, so many things we start collecting on our own body level, mind level, and then it manifests on the body level in disease, which is not is called a disease. So it is like that, and that manifestation of mental disturbance. We know that when we are mentally very nice and fully happy, see that we don't have any problem. But when we are mentally disturbed, we start paining here, there, so many body level we are getting disturbed, we don't get sleep. So through this activating the chakras, it is called attunement process, because Reiki can't be learned only with the reading books. That's the main thing. And if somebody is taking online Reiki, it doesn't work. I especially, because Dr. Usui has told us that person should be present to activate the chakras, and that is in पुराने ज़माने में उसको दीक्षा कहते थे. We call it attunement process. So it is like that. So attunement process is important. That is why the Reiki class is also person to person or in a group, but attunement is always in person. So like that we activate the 7 chakras. As I would like to tell you about a little bit about the 7 chakras. We have 7 energy centers. We call it energy centers or plexus. In medical language, they call plexus. So these 7 energy centers are top of the crown. It is called a crown chakra. Crown chakra is top of that. Energy centers, crown chakras facing is upward the sky. Every chakra is on the different facing, their facing is different on the etheric body. So top of the head, it is called a crown chakra, and crown chakra is a receiving center. It is called a receiving. Every chakra is given some work like that. It is a receiving center. We draw cosmic energy from the crown chakra, and that is why it is on the upward sky. It's like an antenna. Antenna, how receive the vibration and you get the picture like that. It is like that. So crown chakra, then another chakra is called a third eye chakra. These 7 chakras are having also 7 colors. Rainbow colors, we always see that rainbow colors, same rainbow colors, it is there. In Kirlian photography, that's a German photography, we can see that chakras color, how the chakras are balanced, imbalanced. In Pune, many years back, I have done that photography of Kirlian photography. One doctor brought that machine. So we can see our aura also. There are many things in aura level also. So top of the head is the crown chakra, then third eye chakra is our wisdom center. God has given us lots of energy. When we got birth, we always have energy in our palms. And that is why when we don't remember anything. This is a wisdom center. When we don't remember anything, what happened? Our hand goes like that. And we start remembering, all of a sudden we remember something, isn't it? Isn't it? So like that, even you must have seen in college and school days, the children write the paper on the exam paper. In between they sit like this. So automatically they got the intimation, this thing to hand. And when you keep your palm on the hand, then the third eye chakra, pineal pituitary glands get activated. So this is a wisdom center. When we do like this knowingly after doing the class, because without attunement, the energy level is different. Now our energy level is different. After attunement, you get the more energy, you become more aware of all so many things, and the energy chakras are channelized also. So third eye chakra is a powerful chakra because all the commands goes from here, from brain. It's connected to brain. So this is the third eye chakra. Third chakra is a self-expression center. We want to express in our life now. So that is a self-expression center. Then heart chakra. Heart is on the left side, but chakras are on the center of the chest or center, middle of the chest. So heart chakra is the center of chest. Actually, this is called it's a center of love and seat of love and compassion. Everything is there. Love is from within us, isn't it? If some of your friend is talking on the mind level, we always say, "Chup बैठो, आप mind level पे बोल रहे हो." It is not coming through your bottom of the heart. So this is the center of love and compassion. Then navel is a center of our body. So above the navel is called as solar plexus, another chakra. Solar plexus, we always store anger, hatred, jealousy, craving. ये सारी चीजें हम इकट्ठा कर देते हैं, उसमें accumulate कर देते हैं पेट में. It is always it is a garbage carrier. Main garbage carrier is our stomach. So that is solar plexus is a garbage carrier, we can say, and we store all the emotions of anger, hatred. इसीलिए कभी-कभी हम कहते हैं ना कि कोई बहुत गुस्सा आ गया तो वो पेट से गुस्सा निकल रहा है. और somebody jealous, what we say in our friendship and all, oh your stomach is paining because of jealousy. It is like that. So it is very natural thing we doing, but we don't know that about this thing. So here, when you learn Reiki, you start working, taking Reiki on the chakras and the whole body. It has been always, we are teaching all the body parts and all in classes. So that is we can get control. Anger is not bad, but controlling anger is very important. So that is above the navel is solar plexus. Then below the navel is a Hara chakra. It is called Hara. That Japanese word has come. We can, in Sanskrit, it is called a Swadhisthana chakra. So Swadhisthana chakra is a center of peace. But हमने क्या किया है? सारी चिंताएं, worries, depression, all kind of things we always store in our lower abdomen. That is why when you are in angry mood, your solar plexus start burning. And when you are in worried about somebody, when we are depressed, you start get pain in the Hara chakra, because everything is connected with the emotions. So that is the another 6th chakra. 7th chakra is on the back side, exactly under our monkey tail, we can say that place. So it is called a root chakra or basic chakra. Our body is like a cylinder. Hands have come from extension from heart कहाँ है? That is why आपने देखा होगा वो कुछ डांस में, साउथ इंडियन डांस में नमस्कार भी हार्ट से लेके आता है, शोल्डर्स से नहीं, यहाँ से आता है, क्योंकि हार्ट से कम फ्रॉम एक्सटेंशन फ्रॉम हार्ट ऐसे कर जाता है. इवन इन डॉक्टर्स विल से इफ हैंड इज स्टार्ट पेनिंग और समथिंग, दे विल से पहले हार्ट का एक्सरे निकालो, isn't it? We all know that. So it is like that. So and the root chakra, basic chakra, is a support for our spinal cord and to our legs part. That is why it is called a basic chakra, base of the spine. Spine के base में है जो, लेकिन पूरा nervous system को वो support करता है. और रूट चक्र, ये सारी जो चक्रास है वो जब एक्टिवेट होते हैं, एनर्जी सेंटर्स, देन यू बिकम मोर एंड मोर अवेयर ऑफ सो मेनी थिंग्स. योर receiving power become powerful, your wisdom power become activate, or concentration is good for children and all. They focus more on their studies, they become more awareness. Then throat chakra, we start expressing ourselves, खुद को कितना क्या करना है जिंदगी में वो अपने आप समझ में आने लगता है. एनर्जी, डिवाइन एनर्जी गाइड्स यू when you learn Reiki, and it happens that way. Then the heart chakra is always, we start accepting everybody in our life, or even we start accepting the situation as it comes. जिंदगी में सिचुएशन को एक्सेप्ट करो तो लाइफ इज मोर इजियर. हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, पकड़ के बैठते. वी हैव होल्ड बैक आवर लाइफ. कुछ भी हो गया 10 साल पहले पकड़ के रखा है. वी आर नॉट रेडी टू लेट गो. Let go is very, very important. You accept the thing, let go, and start living in the present moment. Why again? हो गया तो past had already gone. Still we are taking the garbage. कंधे भी झुक जाते हैं. Shoulders are like that because of the burden. And always worried about the future. Why we are worried about the future? Future is unknown. Nobody knows. एक क्षण काफी होता है कुछ होने के लिए. वी हैव सीन नाउ वी आर गोइंग थ्रू द सो मेनी पेंडेमिक एंड ऑल, कोविड सिचुएशन ऑल. सो वही तो उस फ्यूचर के लिए जस्ट ट्रस्ट द डिवाइन, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि घर में बैठे खाना भी नहीं बनाना या कोई लाके देगा, ऐसे नहीं है. वी हैव टू डू आवर रेगुलर ड्यूटीज, everything we have to work hard, we have to do that is why ये जो सिचुएशन जो आती है हम पकड़ के बैठते हैं एंड देन पर्सन स्टार्ट गोइंग इन द डिप्रेशन. व्हाई दिस हैपन टू मी, व्हाई दिस हैपन. कंप्लेनिंग लाइफ का कभी खत्म नहीं होता. सो व्हेन यू लर्न रेकी, ऑल दिस थिंग्स गार्बेज निकलना शुरू होता है और धीरे धीरे यू स्टार्ट बिकमिंग मोर अवेयर ऑफ योर पॉजिटिव. बेसिकली आवर पॉजिटिविटी इंक्रीज अ लॉट. नेगेटिव थिंग्स बाद में तो लगता है कि आएंगे नहीं, मेरे मन में आते ही नहीं. वंस यू प्रैक्टिस, कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग रेकी, it is always like that. So that is a wonderful thing. We activate the chakras. So it is not online course, never for the Reiki. It is one to one or group mein. You can come and learn Reiki, and Reiki will make our life so wonderful. Actually, life is beautiful. Sometimes we make it miserable because so many garbage we collect, and we don't live in the present moment, worried about the past and all. So this is I think, and my life has become so different. That time my life was different, but I'm thankful to God and thankful to everybody that I am in this divine path. And basically I wish to acknowledge my whole family, because my husband, my daughters and all, everybody supported me for that. I used to travel a lot. I used to go everywhere in the different cities alone, different countries alone. Nobody got objection, and they know that whatever work I'm doing, it is for society, and people are so attached with each other now. I have a huge family. More than 2 lakh family people are with me, and in COVID situation we have a wonderful healing group. We were sending. I used to sleep at night 2:30. I used to sleep because I always feel this is my Reiki family. The whole world is with me. And it is a wonderful feeling. Basically, it's lots of love and compassion comes to you. You learn to accept the thing, and everything is fine then. So I always feel everybody should learn. Everybody should experience at least first time. And अनुभव लेने के बाद ही अनुभूति मिलती है. When in London, I'll just get one second. I will give you an example. In London, I was taking a class, and there were many doctors' class. So doctors, naturally, they go into the proving. One scientist was there. So I was telling him about the Reiki energy and all. So naturally, that intellect comes and all. The other one person, one doctor or scientist asked me, Smita, can you show me the Reiki energy going from here to there? So I said, no, we can't. So then he said, then I said, you are a doctor or scientist. Can you show me the wind is going from here to there? So he said, no. So I said, see, this is the energy, mere science of energy. We have to experience that. Then I gave them 2 examples. When you open the window and you get the cool breeze, then you experience, now, oh, wow, it's a cool breeze, feel good. So like that. Or when you use the gadgets, TV, mixer, tube, light, when you use the electricity, then only say it can't be seen like that. So like that, this is a science of energy. You have to experience. And then they did the attunement, then took the Reiki whole day. The workshop was so well. And everybody, all the doctors and everybody was in the tears. Sorry, we trouble you a lot. We asked so many questions and all. We were judging you. We were seeing your intellect. Intellect बाजू में रखना है. Spiritual path में आने के बाद intellect को थोड़ा बाजू रखो. And I am not saying it is always supportive for medical. It is not only with Reiki only you will get healed. No. I always suggest everybody, if you are taking medicines, take the medicines and learn Reiki, do apply your Reiki for yourself, and then see doctor, check up karo, or doctor will tell you that now your BP is getting normal, then he will decrease the medicine. Let doctor decide, you don't decide. But keep taking Reiki, and that is why people got fantastic results. I have a wonderful family, and I'm really thankful, and I'm really blessed to have this family, Reiki family. and so many are there.
We are definitely blessed to have you.
Thank you so much.
Because of
And
you, there is a lakhs of people got connected, and we all are into that same group of Reiki healing, which she mentioned about it. And it's a wonderful feeling altogether when you actually experience that particular energy is flowing through you.
correct.
You start accepting yourself, you start accepting the circumstances around you, you start accepting the actual path of your life, like this is my path and this is how exactly I have to live my life. Then whatever may be the positive, the negative, everything is going to happen in everyone's life, including including me. Everybody has faced the same circumstances, everybody has having ups and downs, but the way Reiki teach you to accept everything with the positive mindset, never curse anyone. It's all about the pure heart, it's about the positivity.
That's true.
It's about not judging anyone for anything. In my medical practice, definitely this Reiki helped me a lot, because once the person is coming, sometimes patients are quite cranky, they don't even accept you as the way you are, they don't
That's
even
right.
trust you sometimes, because they had been to many doctors and now suddenly some doctor is telling you that you're going to get all right about it. So this is something which I personally experienced. Because of the Reiki, I started accepting myself, and I started accepting that cranky person as
That's
well.
true. Correct.
And many of the
Very
times
true.
I have contacted her for this kind of a situation. Now what to do, Maushi? This is what is going on. This is so troubling me in my mindset, because in the initial period when I learned my grade 1, there were n number of things are happening, and I was going through the circumstances. But slowly I learned Reiki is the only thing which gave me power to accept myself the way I am. Second is the self-expression of my throat chakra. The way she mentioned, actually the attunement has to be one-to-one, because that experience gives you an amazing experience of your life when you actually open up. And slowly as you day-to-day practice the Reiki, because practice is not a one-day procedure, Reiki is something which you have to practice it daily. Your palms have that energy. When you give that energy to the other people, it's not going to deplete you, it's going to make you abundant in your life.
Yes.
So this is what
You don't
exactly
you
Reiki
don't
is all about.
drain out. You
Drain
don't
out.
get
You
it.
will never get
You
drained
never-
out, rather you
you will
feel
put more
energetic,
charge it.
because
1
the
plus 1
energy is flowing
advantage.
through you.
1 plus 1
Yes,
advantage.
yes,
That's very
definitely.
true.
Yeah,
Yes,
over
yes.
to you, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry.
So no, that's fine. I
Yes.
really appreciate. And
Thank
this is the wonderful family. And मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि जिंदगी में और क्या चाहिए? We just want basically peace, harmony in our life. We know जिंदगी के रेस में हम भागते रहते, दौड़ते रहते, लेकिन रुकना कब है पता नहीं, भागना मालूम है. The running towards is very easy, but to stop, we should know where to stop it now. Look into yourself. Body is a beautiful gift which God has given us, and we are just ignoring our body. होता है ना कि चलो आज क्या लैपटॉप पे 16 घंटे काम किया है, तो अभी पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर करते हैं. एवरी डे दे ऑर्डर द पिज़्ज़ा और डिफरेंट फास्ट फूड, एंड दे जस्ट ईट. सो वी आर गल्पिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. जो नेचुरल चीज़ें भूल के, एक घर का खाना भूल के भी हम कभी तो ठीक है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि खाना नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन कभी कभी ये ज़रूरी है कि खुद की तरफ देखो. एंड व्हेन इन रेकी, टेकिंग रेकी मीन नथिंग एल्स. यू आर लविंग योर बॉडी. And when you express, when you love your body, but touch is the expression of love. खुद को कभी हमने हक किया है? मिरर में भी नहीं देखते खुद को. आधा घंटा, 2 मिनट, 5 मिनट भी नहीं देखते. Do the mirror work करो, खुद को हक करो, and just appreciate yourself. We always have the tendency ignore our own self. तो healing starts from here. आपने इसमें अनाउंसमेंट सुना है ना हमेशा फ्लाइट में कि मास्क ऊपर से आएगा, ऑक्सीजन मास्क, पुट योर मास्क फर्स्ट. अभी यहाँ भी कोविड में हम मतलब पहले खुद मास्क लगाओ तो बाकी लोगों को स्प्रेड नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज हील योर लाइफ एंड बॉडी एंड माइंड एंड सोल, देन यू कैन हील अदर्स नाइसली. ये मैंने बहुत अनुभव किया कि आई गॉट द फैंटास्टिक. और ये परिवार भी इतना बढ़िया मिला है ना, बहुत ही अच्छा. So we all are so divinely connected. I am not on the Facebook, I am not on the Instagram. First time I am in front of you, Instagram. So I don't know the technology also. But I am connected with lakhs and lakhs of people and the heart connection, soul to soul and heart to heart. बहुत 2-2 बजे रात को फोन आते हैं, लंदन से आते हैं, somebody is having a positive निकल आए. So I used to chant. I am still chanting for them. I use I keep sending Reiki to them. My whole group is sending lots of healing to everybody. So that is like togetherness भी बहुत बढ़ता है, प्यार बढ़ता है एक दूसरे के प्रति. That is the most important in life. पैसा तो आता है जाता है, लेकिन ये जो मिला है ना, इसका कुछ मोल नहीं है. बहुत, it is so amazing, so amazing. And I'm really thankful to Universal Life Force Energy, Dr. Usui, because he has spread this knowledge to us. In second level, our intention should be very clear. Just 1 second, I will take your time. 1 second. In second level, we have some kind of wish box. You have to write your wish. Many people, they must have read the book Secret. So whatever your intentions are there, write in affirmations. जिंदगी में affirmations में रहना बहुत जरूरी. Always be write in affirmations. Write down. So when I learned Reiki, I was so thrilled after 1 and second level. I wrote on my paper, the first sentence was like that: I have become a Reiki teacher or grandmaster or whatever, and I'm spreading this knowledge to every corner of the world. And it has come true. From 1995 to 2020, my journey was like that. And I feel good when I give the Divine Gardens, when I help them. 2 o'clock also, midnight they call, I sit for them, I send Reiki. In distance healing, one more thing, distance healing you can do in absent. But as Dr. Aditi told, that attunement process is for learning Reiki can't be on the online. Always remember that. If somebody is doing, don't go for it. I will suggest you. It is not online. It is person activating chakra. Because we have got the keys to activate the chakras. That is called attunement process. दीक्षा देने का जो ज्ञान मिला है, वही उसकी तरीका इससे हम करते हैं. So it is so wonderful, so amazing. So yes,
definitely there are 3 grades of Reiki. The grade 1, grade 2, and the grade 3. I mean, definitely I'm going to come to that part, Maushi, because when people come across about the Reiki, in a 1 day we finished. How that energy you will be able to sustain in a 1 day.
That's true.
It's an amazing levels. You have to self-awareness, then the palm healing, then getting the chakras and getting the symbols.
That's why 21 days
final,
practice.
21 days practice. It's something which
go
is
by
very
step by
different
step.
and go by step by step. So there are 3 grades, like a grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3, and then you become after practicing for many years. Then she give the attunement process for the Grand Mastery. Like then you will be able to conduct your own workshops and everything. So this is something which I would like to know it in detail. When the 3 grades are decided, so based on that, the Daikomyo was the final symbol which you gave. So how exactly this is going to be? Why? I mean, there are 3 grades. Why not 2?
These are the steps because slowly, gradually we experience that.
Right.
Because in level 1 we don't get the symbols. We are focused on our body level, isn't it?
Right.
So like that.
The
And then first do the self-healing, experience that vibrations, whatever
the
wonderful thing, whatever positivity changes in. That is why 21 days. 21 days because that is a purification part.
Correct.
First level is a purification part. So when you start taking Reiki, after 3-4 days, so many collected things accumulate the energy takes out all the accumulation of toxins and impurities comes out, and it starts soothing feeling, and then you become a little bit aware of so many things about ourselves. So, and then in second level, we get some symbols in second level, so that you learn to do the distance healing. And then after some days or some months, you do this thing, because these 7 chakras can't be activated at a time. We can't take it. We don't have the capacity to take. Our capacity, exactly, capacity.
Personally experienced when you do the self-healing. Then the second is with the symbols, and the third is with the master symbol, because master symbol activation is with your root chakra.
Yes.
You should be fully aware about your oneself.
Correct.
You should be fully about your surrounding energies, and then only you will be able to take that master symbol, because that energy is amazing. That I personally experienced, I know how exactly.
And and one more thing, when your root chakra get activate, last chakras, we become connected to the Mother Earth. We are not connected to Mother Earth. इसीलिए जिंदगी में कोई सिचुएशन आए तो एकदम we start panic attack आता है, anxiety attacks आते हैं, because we are not connected. Here we are connected to the source now in the level 1, level 2. But root chakra gets connected with the Mother Earth. And when you get connected to Mother Earth, whenever you feel low, immediately Mother Earth provides the energy. If you are connected, if your root chakra is activated, Mother Earth provide the energy to you, and then sometimes it is very high also. if you have excess energy, we see in the sometimes riots and all, lots of chaos is there. Chaotic things happen in life, and then that time, if they are not connected to the mother, they should get, but they are now not connected. Mother Earth doesn't can't take the excess energy. That is why then they do the rowdy things and all. So that is why connect with the source, and 7 chakra when you get activate with the 3 levels and you connected to the mother earth. हमने मदर अर्थ को खूब बहुत अब्यूज किया है, नेचर के साथ नहीं. वी डोंट रिस्पेक्ट नेचर, वी डोंट रिस्पेक्ट अवर ओन बॉडी. खुद की बॉडी एक गॉड्स गिफ्ट है. जैसे भगवान ने पैदा किया, वी गॉट बर्थ, दैट टाइम आवर बॉडी वॉज फुल्ली हेल्दी, एंड देन कार्मिक के वजह से जो होता है तो कर्मा का है. That is a different. But God has given us, suppose you have full proper intact body parts and proper this thing, but we start neglecting our body. तो मन में एक ठान लो कि जैसे मुझे भगवान ने पैदा किया तो मुझे अच्छा शरीर दिया, अच्छा मन दिया, निर्मल मन दिया था. फिर हम उसमें क्या क्या डालते रहते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें, एंगर, हेट्रेड, सो मेनी थिंग्स. कहीं ना कहीं तो मेडिसिन से भी होता है, बहुत सारी बॉडी में टॉक्सिन्स इकट्ठा होते हैं. नो साइड इफेक्ट्स, cleansing
and how to cleanse it.
Correct.
There are affirmations for the cleansing liver, there are affirmations for the cleansing
kidney, very
and
true.
the way you keep your hands on that, the
Very
position
true.
she has taught us so clearly in the medical practice. So automatically the effects are not going to be in your body, it is going to release in the energy. Coming from the energy and releasing in the energy is one of the Reiki has taught us. So this is something I learned, and that's why I wanted you also to get a little bit knowledge about Reiki. So, and she is the right person to make you everyone.
I am available always on WhatsApp. I'm not on other things, but WhatsApp 24 hours I am available. You are most welcome. My house is like a Maika.
Right.
सबके लिए.
We always call her house as like a temple for us, because once we enter, the all worries are gone, and Maushi is going to be there all the time to help us.
Always,
so
always.
This
I'm
is
always
something
there.
What Reiki taught us, because once you get connected to each and every individual with the soul level, why not? I mean, if the person is a stranger also, something is there and some purpose is there. That's why that person in your life. So that purpose automatically you come to know, and you get connected to the soul, and there is always not a benefit. It's always about a connection with the heart to heart level, with the loving nature. So those things I started appreciating as a doctor. So those things I started getting benefit in my practice, and that's why this Reiki also helped many of my patients till date. Rather, I will not take the names of the patients. They came, they took the Reiki sessions along with physiotherapy, along with ergonomics, along with sports physiotherapy. There are n number of people.
These are complementary therapies for each other.
Because the person
for
came
medical.
with a cervicogenic headache, then in the history we came to know there are certain associated symptoms. Then we gave the Reiki, and then even I was giving as a 1-to-1 Reiki sessions in the clinic.
Yes.
So everybody got benefited with that.
That's
because the way they came out of it, till today nobody came with the same headache or the same pain. So this is something we also wanted as a doctor. Our patient should get cured from the root cause, and they should find their ways and a happy way of life. That's why this session is there.
And it's not only technical, it is about it is about your heart to heart and compassion. Like Dr. Divekar, Prasanna Gadre, those are my Reiki students. They have also become grandmaster. Recently, I had a cataract surgery. So my cataract surgery person, whose hospital, he is also a grandmaster. So it's not like that ki only with the doctors also they are supporting us, because healing is doing really. They get stress free before surgery also.
Very true.
We always give Reiki to the patient and all like that. They say, and they are also doing that way. So it is a wonderful thing.
Getting the huge amount of energy to give it to the people also you need it. Na?
Yes.
So that's why the cleansing process is very important, and that's the Reiki helped me, and I wish that everybody will get benefit of this Reiki, the universal power, the universal energy. The positive energy, all I can say. There are n number of energies.
Positive
And
energy.
a
Everything
energy.
positive and pure.
Pure, totally positive and
Totally.
pure. No,
No,
space for the negativity over
no
here.
negative people come inside
Come
also.
inside, not even the eye
Yeah,
face
yeah.
rather.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, thank you so
That's
much.
all.
If
Thank
any
you so much.
questions, yes,
Thank you so much.
for being here and
Giving
being
me
a
the
wonderful,
opportunity. Wonderful
Yes,
person.
yes, ma'am. Over to you.
That's fine. Now,
Yes. All right.
any
So
questions?
if any questions, I will just
no.
check. And now I will turn the camera towards focusing her. If any questions, you can directly ask her. I will now switch to this part. Yes.
Keep it like that, no? You also can answer.
Any questions? How can anyone start? How exactly the patients have to do? Wonderful session. Thank you so much for the words of appreciation, everyone. Yes. How one can start? Definitely, there is no age for starting anything. Anytime, anywhere, you can start.
Yeah, anywhere you can start, but at the age. Age after 8.
8. Yeah.
After 8 till we are alive. You can do the Reiki. Because I am taking 8 to 11 children's courses like that workshop, and they are full of energy and they are benefited so much. And after 13 they go into the adult.
Adults.
So till 94 age I have taught many people. Yeah.
Yes.
They are so doing well still.
And yeah, I mean, it's never age. Before 8 is because the intellect has not developed that much.
No, and the innocence is there. They are connected to divine.
There.
Basically,
yeah,
they
and the garbage is still not that
still
much.
not there. Correct. Very
And
true.
innocence.
Innocence.
Innocence is there. The chakras are completely active. They are totally into the attunement and alignment with the universal power. After the 8 age, the way we start, from the womb, the journey starts. So till 8 is not required. After the 8 you can definitely start learning. You can teach to your kids, you can teach to it, you can suggest to anyone who has a lack of concentration. There are n number of associated symptoms also if you have. Then also the Reiki will be giving definitely a benefit to that particular person. There are certain times when the person is into the lack of confidence. Like I came across recently an HR person who was into a big post, but somewhere in the back of the mind, shall I do it or shall I not do it? Always in the
confusion,
confused state
dilemma,
of the mind, and then the dilemma is there. So that person learned Reiki, and I have seen the transformations in their life. I mean, the person visited clinic for certain conditions and then came across in the certain conditions with the proper consultation of the physio, and then we learned Reiki. So the same thing, and there are 2 patients I sent to from this area to Maushi also. So they also got benefited a lot ways.
Yes.
So
that's why doctors send the patients to.
I mean, there are certain things which I do it from the Maushi. So she is the right person.
That's true. Very true.
Yes.
It's a complimentary for.
It's complimentary for the medical practitioners as well as for the Reiki healing. All I can say, the holistic healing.
Holistic
not only
healing.
The healing.
Yeah.
There are multiple factors for the healing.
Yes. Mental, physical, emotional, aura.
Yes. There are many.
Yeah.
I guess the one question. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a wonderful audience, and thank you so much, Maushi, for giving us your valuable time.
Thank you so much.
I'm really grateful and really blessed to have you in my life. And you got ready for this Instagram session because she is not at all on the online sessions, but she said, okay, Instagram, okay, we'll do it. That was a positive response, and I was like, oh my God.
I never say no to anybody. So this is also it was easiest. And even the lectures and all, so many of these things, but not like a live telecast. Like
she's not on the internet, but it's, we are.
I really enjoyed.
Yes,
I really enjoyed, and I'm very happy. Yes, I'm blessed already. Really.
Yes, thank you so much. If any questions, anything, let us know. You can write on the Instagram page.
My WhatsApp number also there now.
Does it work for the ADHD? Yes, Maushi, it's your question.
What is that ADHD?
What exactly the ADHD? Can you just elaborate, sir or ma'am, whoever is there asking a question? Just write down the full form of ADHD. You have to say, I guess, the mic.
Oh, Mike is with me. What is the full form of that? ADHD, no? I'll take it or so we'll give
That's
it to
okay.
you.
You
Ah,
can
that's
say
okay.
it is the first, they have to come for the consultation. Then,
Acha, acha. ADHD. What they're asking exactly?
unable to read and write.
Okay. Unable to
Read and write.
write
Yes,
for them.
for them.
I have not experienced on the unable to read. Actually, we have tried on the these kind of children's also. Those who are. I am recently one we are giving Reiki to that small child, and his mother had learned. So she is giving every day this thing, and actually in the what we call it mentally retarded kids. Basically, we don't give the hope that completely they will recover, but we have got a fantastic result for them because some were very aggressive, they have become calm down after giving Reiki. Some were very slow, they started. For the slow learners also, it has been benefited that they become more aware of that and they started doing things in the normal this thing. So we are working on that actually part, lot of things.
Any practical example one doctor is asking ki how it can relate with us and anyone in the situation, any situation, and how we have to relate Reiki with this.
मला एक्झॅक्ट प्रश्न नाही कळला था मराठीमध्ये
See, the question is,
क्वेश्चन हां
the person is asking a question, how exactly it is
रिलेटेड
related.
हां
Yes. How exactly it is related to the daily situation? I just read the question, so I will try to answer that particular question. There are many medical conditions which are associated with the emotional imbalance. There are certain aspects of your life which are beyond your control. There are certain situations in your life ki are you going to meet with an accident or not, that also it's about your energy. Right. Because in the Reiki practice, in the daily practice, what we say that first before you speak, your energy speak. So once
Very
you
true.
start with the day in the morning routine with a very much positivity, automatically that positivity reach to that place and then you speak. So automatically things started following in that. So this is what exactly we say ki yes, it is applicable for different person, different situations.
That's true.
For the in a medical condition, like the person who I'll just ask about challenged children's, definitely it is going to give you a benefit, but to cure it, nobody can claim it.
Because it's in the genetics.
It's a genetics, and definitely there are many certain medical conditions are associated with it. But yes, if you want to find out the solution, are you on the right track? Are you going to get a benefit out of that? Yes.
Yes. Many parents, they have got the benefit.
There is one autistic child which I recently treated with this particular Reiki. It's been a long time, rather not recently, all I can say. But yes, definitely I was giving certain times she was getting totally into the active state, the hyperactive state rather, all I can say.
Yeah.
And Reiki definitely helped her. That was her even mother's feedback. I have not recorded or anything. That's why I couldn't share on screen about that particular session, because it's not my session and it's Maushi's session.
Yes.
But definitely
it works for
we
that.
both came across many things.
Many
and,
things. Depression
yes,
kind of
depression,
thing.
anxiety, and number of things, and we
yes.
have got
it
benefited
really,
with this.
Yes.
For a very yes.
It's really benefited for that.
Pain from the leg and pain, yes, definitely there is a pain, and everything can definitely get associated with the Reiki healing as well.
Cramps and all.
Cramps and all also definitely.
Because that is also a connection with emotions.
Right.
When you start losing our confidence, the pain or cramps start.
Yes.
And when you have a knees pain, you always have there is some fear in our knees. Fear is always stored in our knees.
Right.
That is why lower body problems are always for the ladies. It is almost done. And upper body part of this is for gents. Shoulder pain and heart attack mostly we find in gents. And the lower part of the body means gynec problem, knees, arthritis, knee replacement, you will see. Many ladies, they have a knee replacement. And then when you have a cramps and in calf muscles, naturally with the growing age, we start losing the confidence and then cramps start. Then heel pain and all like that. So like that, there's a
Louise Hay's one book is there.
yeah, Heal Your Body, Heal Your Body and
you
Mind.
can get it
Wonderful
on
book.
any internet stores, or otherwise you can go on the Crossroads.
Wonderful
or,
affirmations.
Sorry, the Crossword, and you can buy that book. It's a wonderful association. I have gifted to many of my patients till date.
Yes.
The association of your symptoms along with the pain which you are experiencing
Yes.
in the musculoskeletal disorders.
That's true.
It's quite effective to form those kind of an affirmations. The Reiki will help you. Definitely, of course, the medical treatment is required. As she mentioned.
Yes, it is
And
required, but it is
never
support
system
for the support
is going to be
system.
there.
Yes.
And yes, of course, the medical practitioners also need sometimes the healing processes.
Yes.
Because there are certain times medical fails, like the cancer. There are many pains they have to go through. So we can subside.
But we have seen that when the cancer patient is taking chemo, because one of my friends, she was taking a chemo. I used to be with her and I used to give her Reiki that time. The doctors were allowed me to give Reiki, and not a single day, 18 chemos every day she could took. The doctor was surprised. She didn't have any side effects, absolutely no side effects. Everything was fine, and now she's absolutely all right. Last 5 years.
Yes.
But it is a supportive for medical.
but
Whatever medicine she has to take, she has to take. But she has become more positive, and that now she's totally healed herself. She had learned Reiki and all afterwards.
Yes.
And now she's a wonderful thing.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so
Any
much.
more questions? We'll really appreciate your feedbacks on our Instagram page. Do like, share, and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. Thank you so much for being a wonderful audience and being so supportive. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.